Okay, for number 42, we are given a right rectangular prism, and we're asked several things about it. Specifically, you're asked, first of all, what's the length of segment AE? Now, AE goes from A all the way to E, right through the middle of the prism, from bottom, like left-hand corner to top, back, right-hand corner. It's the complete opposite this side. And this segment is actually called the diagonal of the prism. Now, the diagonal of the prism is the only formula that you are not given at all on your formula sheet. So that's the one you need to know. And the diagonal is equal to the square root of L squared plus W squared plus H squared. Length squared plus width squared plus height squared. And it never actually matters which ones are which. We know we've got 3, we've got 5, we've got 7, length, width, height, however you want to name it. It really won't make a difference. So for part A, we're just going to say this is the square root of 3 squared plus 5 squared plus 7 squared. 3 squared is 9. 5 squared is 25. 7 squared is 49. Let's put this all into our calculator. 9 plus 25 plus 49. That all adds up to 83. You should check to make sure that 83 is not divisible by any perfect square, and it actually isn't. I mean, you can actually factor that if you want to. 83 cannot be divided by any of your normal suspects. It can't be divided by 2, so we're just going to leave that as the square root of 83. What's the relationship between the diagonal and the prism? This is a really weird way of asking it, but basically they're just saying, what do you know about AE? And AE is specifically the longest segment that can fit inside the prism. I kind of like to think of it like the straw in the juice box. It's the longest it could possibly be.